Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. Do you remember when you could listen to your favorite CD?
Then you definitely don't want to miss KLIM's CD radio player. I love being able to connect this to my car. It connects in 3 ways: through Bluetooth, the FM car, or the aux cable. I can't believe how easy this is to use. And there's 3 options. So if one of those options don't work for connecting to your car, the other one will. However, all 3 of those options work for me. And I love that the sound quality through the connection is perfect. I really enjoy the sound. I love it. And I also love that there's no skipping or lagging at all. The CD player can be on its side. It doesn't have to be flat, and it works really great. When I'm jumping or I'm using the CD player and I'm running or jogging and it's on its side, there's also no break in the music. There's no skipping. There's no pausing. It plays my burn CDs. I have a lot of CDRs, and it plays those very easily as well. It comes with this awesome KLIM Fusion earphones. It has a magnetic back, and that keeps it from getting tangled. And I really like the sound quality of the earphones. It also has a clip on it, so I can clip it to the top of my shirt. I also appreciate that you can Bluetooth it to your own earphones. I also have a speaker that it connects to, so if I just take my portable CD player and connect it to my speaker, I have access to the radio. I have access to my favorite music. This really does come in handy. This has a place for your SD card. It also has a record function as well. It comes with a charger, it comes with an aux cable, it comes with the earphone accessories, the tips that you can change out. It has this really great case that you can put your CD player in, and it has a net that holds it in place so when you open it, it doesn't slide or fall out. Everything that it comes with fits nicely in the storage case. It's so cool that the volume button goes up slowly so I don't burst my eardrum.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.